Week 13. We're preparing for our next trip in 3 days. We got some friends from out of town again coming to visit BGC. And yeah, we're always happy to have you guys come check out our adventures. Week 13, let's go. Boss, bawal umihi dito. Look at these foreigners. What's up, guys? My man Brian right here showing us the Grand Hyatt. The Grand Hyatt BGC is such a gorgeous property. A huge lobby lounge with live entertainment. We got the hood up in the Grand Hyatt. We got to hang out at the Peak Lounge on the 60th floor with amazing views of BGC. We're so grateful to have some bougie friends. So after church, one of the funnest activities is trying these street foods. We're here with the Sakules clan. We're about to try some street food. Philip, put some vinegar on that. Philip, what's up? How is it? Bro. Yo, let's go. Oh, street food Filipino style.
Is that accessory?
Yeah, bro.
Is that chicken heart?
That's everything.
Not bad, not bad. What's up?
This guy's up. Everything. Look at this. Got you.
Hey, I need some vertical footage for my feed.
Oh. Din Tai Fung. This is a popular restaurant for a lot of people. It's very popular in our family. So it's about time we made a Xiao Long Bao tutorial.
See, there's instructions how to use Xiao Long Bao, but you gotta learn something from it. Step 1, you gotta prepare the sauce. Rice vinegar, soy sauce. 1, 2. Step 2, you gotta put the Xiao Long Bao on the spoon. And see, you gotta drain the soup. Step 3 is you gotta bite. Step 3, get Xiao Long Bao, put under or soy sauce vinegar mix, and eat. This is our spot. We've probably been here 6 times now. You see the background there, the fountain show. Man, nothing like it. The best part is, it's 50% off what it is back home. Let's go. And just like that, week 13 is behind us. We got to hang out with some friends from overseas and discover new little gems here in BGC. And we're also getting ready for our next trip to Malaysia. Man, we're excited. So thanks guys for joining us as always. When you get a sec, please hit that subscribe button. And we're always glad to have you guys along. So thanks guys. This is your weekly reminder. Collect moment, not things. Take care.